ẹ̀yin olè yìí ṣé justice of Mohbad lẹ wá kiri láti ọjọ́ yìí mo fún yín ní 3 days tábà lọ ṣe DNA wà á mọ̀ pé Mohbad yẹn kì í ṣòun ló bí Mohbad ṣọ̀rọ̀ pé ìyàwó níyàwó ni mí òun náà àwọn ọmọ yẹn òun kọ́ ló bí wọn ó kàn ń gba owó lórí àwọn ọmọ mi ó ń gba owó lórí wọn ẹ wá sọ pé ìwà sí justice of Mohbad ẹni títí ẹ má ṣe ràrìn ráìwọ àti ẹ.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ mọ̀ bọ́ta o àṣírí ìyá Mohbad ti padà tú síta ó ti dàgbòrò rú báyìí ó ní kì í ṣe bàbá Mohbad ló bí Mohbad ẹ mà wá gbọ́ tuntun lẹ́nu Yeye Kudi. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Digi Naija fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa tẹ subscribe button kẹ́ máa like fídíò yìí ẹ drop opinion yín sí comment kẹ́dẹ̀ máa share káàkiri ẹ̀yin èèyàn tẹ́ bá gbọ́ gbogbo àṣírí tí Yeye Kudi tú tẹ́ bá gbọ́ gbogbo àṣírí ìjìnlẹ̀ tá a mọ̀ rárá nípa tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń jẹyọ tí Yeye Kudi ń túlẹ̀ ọkọ̀ọ̀kan fún wa nípa ìyá Mohbad voice note yìí gan ló wá jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa wá realize pé ikú Mohbad ò kì í ṣe lásán ejò lọ́wọ́ nínú ni. Ìyá Mohbad dẹ̀ ní a lot of questions to answer on this matter. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbọ́ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí Yeye Kudi tú gbogbo àṣírí tán tú nípa ìyá Mohbad ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbọ́ bí.
Iya Mohbad personally said she was going to come out and talk that Mohbad is not. Let me play it. Then I will tell you people why I'm playing it, and I want you people to call Mama Mohbad. Iya Mohbad, come here. So this thing that everybody is doing, trying to get justice for your child, your own is to be cursing the people getting justice for your child. You curse this man Sote. You curse everybody seeking justice for Mohbad, Iya Mohbad. Can I now say that you are the one? In fact, there's something there again I will reveal to you people. Iya Mohbad. When people are calling you Abiagba, I say, let me not reach that extent. So you are the one that took the life of your child. Jumoke, you better calm down. Don't be, if you can't wait, exit. You people should not annoy me. Better calm down. Let me tell people, let them feel what they want to listen to. Because I don't want some people to. Better calm. If you can't be calm, leave here. Leave here. So this message was sent to some of you that spoke to me earlier today. You heard me saying that there are some plans, there are something. This is the thing. And I said tomorrow. I didn't know that today is already, you understand? I didn't know that they were thinking that I didn't want to talk about it. You understand? I didn't know that today is already 5th. So, one after another.
Ẹ kújọ́ mẹ́ta o ẹ dẹ̀ kúṣẹ́ tó ràn yín tẹ̀ ń jẹ́ ṣé justice for Mohbad lẹ̀ ń wá ṣé ilẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n àbí òun làbúrò ṣé justice of Mohbad lẹ̀ ń wá àbí ẹ fẹ́ kówó jẹ ẹ dẹ̀ ń dá àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ń gbá wọn ríbo rábàràbà ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ ti gbà pẹ́ mi náà bímọ sísìn sílé ọ̀nà tó tọ́ ìwọ náà bímọ ọkùnrin ó dẹ̀ bímọ obìnrin nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ fojú ọmọ mi rí ojú yín máa rí ọmọ tẹni kọ́ máa sìn yẹn ẹ̀yin olè yìí ṣé justice of Mohbad lẹ̀ wá kiri láti ọjọ́ yìí mo fún yín ní 3 days tábà lọ ṣe DNA wàá mọ̀ pé Mohbad yẹn kì í ṣòun ló bí Mohbad ṣọ̀rọ̀ pé.
Now I'll stop there. This message was sent to this man on the 30th of January, and she said 3 days. She gave ultimatum that she gave, if we do not go and bury Mohbad. That she's sorry, to go and do the DNA within 3 days. That she's going to come out. You will see here to tell us that Baba Mohbad is not the father of Mohbad. Okay? Hello? Hello? Mo wà lórí show ni mo wà lórí show. Bye. That is the lawyer that is in charge of Baba Mohbad in Abuja. You understand? The lawyer that we all did the do you understand, brekete, that is in charge. Okay, now continue. Sorry, let me start again.
Ṣé justice of Mohbad lẹ wá àbí ẹ fẹ́ kówó jẹ? Ẹ dẹ̀ ń dààmú ọmọ Nàìjíríà ń gbá wọn ríbo lábaràbá. Ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ ti gbà pé mi náà bímọ sísí yín. Sí ní ọ̀nà tó tọ́, ìwọ náà bímọ ọkùnrin, ó dẹ̀ bímọ obìnrin. Nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ fojú ọmọ mi rí ojú yín máa rí. Ọmọ tẹ́ni kọ́ máa sìn yẹn. Ẹ̀yin olè yìí. Ṣé justice of Mohbad lẹ wá kiri láti ọjọ́ yìí? Mo fún yín ní 3 days tẹ́bà lọ ṣe DNA. Wàá mọ̀ pé Mohbad yẹn kì í ṣòun ló bí Mohbad. Ṣọ́n pé ìyàwó níyàwó ni mí. Òun náà àwọn ọmọ yẹn òun kọ́ ló bí wọn. Ó kàn ń gba owó lórí àwọn ọmọ mi. Ó ń gba owó lórí wọn. Ẹ wá sọ pé wá sí justice of Mohbad. Ẹni títí ẹ má ṣe ràrìn ráìwọ̀ àti ẹ̀. Ṣé bí wọn lọ ń tì í? Ó jẹ́ kó mọ̀ kọ́tọ́ ẹ kó ṣe lórí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń sì jò sí. Mo mọ̀ pé ní agbára Ọlọ́run tó bá ṣe pé ọyàn mi méjèèjì mo fi.
You know that's the name they call Baba Mohbad, the terrible name Josie or something like that. And she's saying it. You can imagine. Is this woman, Iya Mohbad, as you are here now, is what you are doing, is it okay? Is it okay? You know, this is not, anyway, let me continue.
Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kì í ṣe bàbá ẹ̀. Tó bá ṣe pé bàbá ẹ̀ ni kò ní máa ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yẹn. Èmi ò ní ká má post ọ̀rọ̀ mi síta o. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ sọ fún gbogbo àgbáyé torí èmi náà ṣì ń bọ̀ wá jáde sí i. Torí pé ẹ fi ọmọ mi pamọ́ owó tẹ̀ ń gbà lórí ọmọ mi. Ẹ dẹ̀ fẹ́ gba dúkìá ẹ fẹ́ gbẹ nítorí ó bí ọmọ ó dẹ̀ níyàwó ẹ tún fẹ́ jogún ẹ̀. Ṣé justice of Mohbad náà lẹ̀ ń wá báyìí? Ṣé justice of Mohbad lẹ̀ ń wá àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ṣì máa dá sí i? Ṣé aláwọ̀ tẹ̀ ṣì lọ fún lówó yẹn? Tẹjọ́ fúló tẹjọ́ support ara yín yẹn ẹ sì jọ máa parun ni. Ṣé justice of Mohbad lẹ wá báyìí? Ẹ sin ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ẹ fi ń gbowó. Àwọn Africa television ti jọ padà lẹ́yìn ara yẹn ẹ̀yin olè ẹ fẹ́ jogún ọmọ mi. Ẹ fẹ́ jogún ẹ lọ ń sáyìn ẹ̀yin àwọn gba 75 ẹ̀yin gba 25 ibi tẹ́ ẹ ti sí mo mọ̀ pé ṣe máa jọ tira yín síbi tẹ́ ẹ jọ fẹ́. Orí Mohbad ẹlẹ́dàá Mohbad sì jọ máa sìn ín papọ̀. Ìyàwó níyàwó ni mí o, àwọn ọmọ yẹn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ni o, Jòsí kọ́ ló bí wọn o, ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ni wọn o. Bí tẹ̀ ṣe máa rí fún ayé gbogbo yín, òun lẹ̀ ń ṣe yẹn. Ìyá tí ẹ jáde síta, ó ń ṣépè fún mi. Ìyá tí ọmọ mi rí, ó ń ṣépè fáwọn ọmọ ẹ̀, ó ń ṣépè fún yín, ó ń ṣépè fáwọn ọmọ, ó tún ṣépè fáwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Gbogbo ìgbésí ìyá yín ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn pátápátá, bó ṣe máa rí fún yín nìyẹn o. Kò ṣe èmi ni mo ní o. Èmi ò ní jẹ gbì, mi ìdẹ̀ ní kú gbì. Justice of Mohbad lẹ wá yẹn. Ẹ fún ọmọ yẹn ráre ẹ wá ń gba owó lórí ẹ ọmọ yẹn ti pé 5 months báyìí bó ṣe máa rí fún yín nìyẹn o lágbára ìwòwò tí mo fi bí ọmọ yẹn ó máa dá yín lẹ́jọ́ ọyàn mi méjèèjì táwọn ọmọ yẹn mu ó máa bí yín léèrè justice of Mohbad ó ti ní tó bá ṣe Mohbad kò ṣe Mohbad ló yẹ kúkú àdúrà ló yẹ kúkú ìwọ náà dẹ̀ support ẹ ìpè kan.
Did that woman, did Baba Mohbad ever say that he wishes that it is Adura that should die? Did that man ever say that? This Iya Mohbad, Ha! Did that man ever say that? Please, I beg to be corrected. Did Baba Mohbad ever in his life wish that Adura dies? In fact, the time that man spoke about Adura at Oriyomi, a lot of people were even angry with him because he was looking for excuses for Adura and looking for excuses for blessing. When the Oriyomi asked that, what about the first child? What about the first child? He said that Blessing is married, and of course she cannot join if the husband is not in support of her joining the cause justice for Mohbad. He gave excuse for Blessing. I'm thinking, what kind of bullshit talk is this man talking? Then Adura too, he said that Adura you people are seeing, this is how he behaves, so it's quiet. He gave excuses. Did that man ever wish Adura dies in play? Never.